Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Olive and I'm here with Fabiano.
Hello.
Today we're doing a challenge, the whipped cream challenge. I just made that up, but basically we're going to ask each other questions about ourselves that we think we might not know, and then if the other person gets it wrong, we get to put whipped cream in their face. Pretty straightforward. Do you want to get into the questions? So let's do rock, paper, scissors. Who has to answer the first question?
Okay. Scissors, paper, rock. Paper, rock.
You're answering the first question, honey.
Let's get it again.
What was I wearing on our first date?
You're wearing leggings. Wait, a date or when we went to sushi training?
Date!
What? You're wearing a skirt, right? No, you weren't. You're wearing jeans and a white top. Okay.
Some more.
Stop!
No, wait! More. I was wearing an orange play suit, a denim shirt over it, and white Converse, and my hair was in a bun.
I'm gonna start off easy.
Okay.
What instrument did I play in primary school?
Saxophone.
Congratulations.
What month of this year did I hit 10,000 followers? You got 10 seconds, boy.
No. I believe it was it's definitely May.
You were about to say June and it was June.
How many cousins do I have? First cousins.
14.
Yes.
Yes!
Oh my word, I thought I had you. Are you serious?
What was the name of my first cat when I was little?
It's not Oliver. No, wait. It's not Oliver. It's Oscar.
Yeah! But you did take a hint. But
I did take a hint, but how many countries have I been to besides Australia? Go on.
3.
Yuck!
Oh my god! How many?
5.
Oh, what?
England, France, Italy, Philippines,
Yeah.
and New Zealand.
Why can't I see? It's all foggy. Let's see how much he pays attention to my Instagram. What is my favorite curly hair product at the moment?
It is definitely, and don't get me wrong, I know you like a lot of products, but at the moment, I feel like
I've commented it on my
a
post.
bounce curl.
I'm surprised you knew that.
What's my favorite dog and cat breed?
Favorite cat breed is British short hair or Bengal. Favorite dog?
Border Collie. Border Collie. Name 3 people.
My go.
No, it's not. Name 3 people that I met through my football team.
Oh, Kyle. And then you met Will.
Yep.
And then you met Chris. So in this room, I've lived in this room basically my whole life.
The answer's yellow.
You cheated.
No, I actually knew. I was like, what questions would Olivia ask? And she'll be like, what colour would my horse be? And she's gonna think that I'm gonna say purple, but it's actually yellow.
What was my first dream job?
Vet.
No.
Singer or artist? You'd have to go with artist.
Dang it!
Favorite comedian?
Crystalia,
Yeah,
Carl
true.
Barron.
G. Do his laugh. Jimmy
Carr. That's
Yeah.
the one.
Okay. What time was I born?
How am I supposed to know that? I remember Karen being like, I had Fabian early in the morning.
Yeah, that wasn't me. That was
She
good.
had you in the afternoon.
Yeah. Okay, that's good enough. 2:30.
You already know this. My favourite soft drink.
I don't know this.
Oh, Oh, okay.
Is it Fanta? I hate this stuff. How old was I when I first went to England?
You were a baby. Like 10 months. It's so cold. I'll let you guys know if whipped cream is good for cows. Alright, we're gonna finish it there. We ran out of questions. I think we know each other too well after all this time.
So,
no.
don't headbutt me.
I'm sorry. Can't touch the camera because I got whipped cream.
I don't. See you guys. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, I was speaking like a normal human. Goodbye.
Goodbye.